Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to favorite chats on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now at left, you'll be able to see this icon for messages. Make sure you tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your messages over here. So if you want to favorite any chats, what you have to do is first of all locate the chat or group chat that you want to favorite. After you do that, simply long press on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like profile, close DM, favorite, mark as read, etc. Tap on this option favorite that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see this kind of star icon in that particular chat. That means it has been added to your favorite chats. So that is how your favorite chats on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.